Have you ever wondered what's deep inside the mind of a Muslim procrastinator? That's what I'm gonna explain in this video. So, winners and procrastinators have the same goals. They want to win in dunya, go on high-end restaurants, buy that supercar, marry that beautiful spouse, get into Jannah, but they're not willing to work. And winners who actually will get those things inshallah also have the same goals. But there's a difference in their psychology. I was someone who was lazy. I got into bad behaviors as a Muslim. I did not have a job, dropped out of college, and it was painful. But then I studied a lot, discovered a system, took my deen seriously, stayed away from major sins, and got disciplined and consistent on my YouTube channel and business. And I'm gonna show you what's the psychology of a procrastinator so you can understand and avoid procrastination. Let's talk about number one, the trap keeping procrastinators stuck. One of the biggest reasons why procrastinators stay stuck is because subconsciously they might think that they have time to do the task that they're wanting to do. And the task causes some pain, and brain likes to avoid pain. So what it does is it chooses instant gratification over working on the task. But when do actually people start working? Which brings me to section number two. If they have a deadline, for example, they have some project and they know that they have to do that by today or tomorrow. They do that task. Do you know why they do it? Because the pain of missing the task and missing the deadline is greater than the pain of procrastination. But what about the people who do not procrastinate? What's their psychology like? They are someone who are wired for delayed gratification. They have realized it deep in their mind that delayed gratification is better than instant gratification. So they choose that over instant gratification. If you want to know why you can't stay disciplined and consistent on your goals, you can diagnose that. There's a PDF link in the description. And if you want to work with me one on one to master discipline and consistency in 8 weeks, the link is in the description. There are limited spots and it can actually change your life. Peace.